You think you're free to work. You're not. Their SA system, older than America itself, that decided who gets to earn money and who never will. And it's hiding in plain sight. In medieval Europe, guilds controlled everything. They decided who could be a baker, a welder, a mason. You needed permission. You needed membership. You needed connections. Without it, you starved. Most people think that world is gone. It's not. It just changed uniforms. Today, guilds are called licensing boards, credential systems, and regulatory bodies. The language is different. The control is identical. You can't practice law without a license, medicine without a degree, plumbing without certification, real estate without approval. You think this protects you? It protects them. Here's what guilds did in 1400s London. They said, you want to be a goldsmith? Fine. But first, you need 10 years of apprenticeship. Then you need to pay a massive fee. Then you need the permission of existing goldsmiths. Then you need to prove your family has money. 9 out of 10 talented people never made it. Not because they weren't skilled. Because access was controlled. Sound familiar? A plumber today needs 4 to 5 years of apprenticeship, thousands in fees, state licensing exam, continuing education costs, background checks, business permits. A plumber in 1420s Florence needed the exact same things, just with different names. The barrier isn't quality, it's permission. And here's the trap nobody talks about. Once guilds controlled a trade, prices stopped being competitive. They became negotiated, fixed, stable for people inside, impossible for people outside. A medieval baker couldn't undercut the guild price without getting fined or expelled. Today, a doctor can't charge less than the system allows without losing their license. Same mechanism, same result. Wages followed the same logic. Medieval guilds didn't negotiate higher wages for workers. They fixed them, kept them stable, prevented competition from undercutting. Modern credentialing does something similar. If you don't have the right degree from the right school, you're locked out of certain salary brackets permanently. Not because you're less skilled, because you lack the approved permission slip. A man named David spent 10 years becoming an electrician. Apprenticeship, licensing, continuing education, fees, thousands of dollars. He's excellent, but he can't start his own business without jumping through 47 different regulatory hoops. A kid with a YouTube channel teaching himself to code. No license needed. No apprenticeship required. Why? Because the guild hasn't captured that market yet. This is what guilds perfected over centuries. They didn't invent inequality. They institutionalized it. They made restriction look like protection. They made gatekeeping look like quality control. They made permission look like process. And once something is legal and procedural, nobody questions it anymore. The medieval guild is dead. The guild system is immortal, because the pattern isn't about gold or bread anymore. It's about who decides who gets to compete. And right now, that decision is being made by people who already won.